Subject Geography, Standard 8, Lesson number 2, Interior of Earth. Students, in this lesson we already learned about the layers of interior of the Earth, and today by this growth curve or graph we are going to understand there are discontinuity in the density inside the Earth. Okay, so always remember. Observe the velocity curves of the given seismic waves. The left curve in figure A shows the velocity of secondary S waves, while the curve on the right shows primary P waves. This is curve figure A, okay, and this is secondary waves curve and this is primary waves curve. Students, we are going to see what are the actually waves. Students, we know that below the earth crust there is epicenter or focus. Okay, that waves are forming from there, that epicenter. See, these are primary waves and these are secondary waves, and we are studying about that curves or that growth curves of the waves. Whenever these waves are coming, they are that forming the tremendous energy. Okay, and they travel that upside also and downside also, that downside or the till the core and upside till that the crust. And maybe we know that earthquakes and volcanoes are occurring because of these waves and this tremendous energy from that interior of the earth. So today we will understand what is the difference between primary waves and secondary waves. Okay, these secondary waves have so many changes. The curve drawn with the help of the dot shows average velocity. We can see this dot and two lines are there. One is a continue and one is a dotted line. That dotted line is shown the velocity. And this secondary waves are seems to ended here. Ended means that 2900 kilometer till that 2900 kilometer these waves are ended here, means below 3000 kilometers. Some changes are visible even in the curves of the primary waves. The velocity of the primary waves increases according to depth till 2900 kilometer. The velocity of secondary waves around 6 to 8 kilometer per second around the boundary of the outer core. This boundary of the outer core, and the curve has stopped there. These waves do not enter the core. Remember, the secondary waves do not enter the core because they only travel into the solid medium, and primary waves travel through solid, liquid and gaseous medium. We know that. At the starting, that velocity of the secondary waves having 12 km per second, but whenever they are trying to enter the core, that velocity decreases. Velocity decreases and having 8 km per second. See this as shown in the dot curve. On the basis of these curves, the scientists have inferred the density at various depth. Means this density is different at various depth. Also, there is discontinuity in the interior of the earth. Now let us see about this growth curve B. Here is shown the depth interior of the earth. 1000, 2000, 3000, 4000, 5000 and 6000 in meter. Okay, this all is the below earth. Red curve in figure B shows gravitational force at various depth. This is a red curve and it shows gravitational force at various depth. The gravitational force increases at certain depth from the surface and then reduces according to the depth. At the center it is 0 as it visible from the curve. Observe this figure minutely. Find various discontinuity in the density curve and show them on the figure. Student, see this blue line is shown the density. That means we can understand at the different layers the density is different.